pumping up
oats
our
in the living room.
pumping our boat.
I'm getting a motorized one of these. I've never had a use before, but I think we have a use now.
We're going to test this new boat. It's just a little test. I hope Kaya's paw is gonna not punch it.
I hope her claws are all not sharp.
So that's the one. It looks very soft though. Or you just push it.
Well, it's not a car tire.
There's somebody's backyard, Kaya. You always wants to go to other side of the fence. I just don't get it. So that one is took 1 minute. This one's less than 1 minute. The last one. So it's about four minutes. Do you think we got everything?
We have the boat, the cushions, the oars,
Hours.
and the pump.
Okay. Is this heavy?
It's awkward.
But not heavy.
And you're probably not supposed to. Yeah, mine's not either.
Oh, get on the boat, Kaya. What do you think? Oh, Kaya just hush, 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 hush. What do you think, Dave?
Oh, it's really hard using a phone through this little package that keeps it from getting wet if it falls in the water. But other than that, Kaya's behaving.
Oh, we had a difficult time too. Hey,
No,
Kaya!
Kaya, you have to
Kaya,
right here.
you can't jump. Kaya, you can't
Trying
jump.
to walk round on the edge. That's a really squishy edge.
No. There's too many mosquitoes. We got it on, and we got too many mosquitoes. It literally kills us. I have is very interested. Hey, hey. You know what? It's not that bad for this boat. I didn't think it was like that. I think that we all sit in, everything just sink to the bottom. It's not gonna move right at all.
It seems to be pretty good. Oh, yeah, I got a slight problem. Oh, they really do need to go.
We're turning. We're turning.
Well, at least we're going down towards our destination.
Good.
Oh, that's a rock. Oh,
Yeah.
I wondered who was prodding me underneath. It's a rock. It's okay. I think the idea is to get used to using the boat.
We're just testing the boat. First day
Yeah.
testing the boat.
Oh. No,
it's
we
too
don't want to go
shallow.
in the rapids there. That's even shallower.
Well, can you just? No!
Oh! Oh, we might have to go walk. Oh, these oars. Oh dear.
I know they're over
Oh,
oars.
uh-oh. And it really wants to go this way.
Well, then go this way.
There's a reason why it wants to go this way.
Why?
It's shallower. Because the water's going faster. Oh well, let's see what happens. Oh, I guess you gotta lay back. See, I have a feeling it's a fat cat. No, Kaya, you're not going in.
Well, if you are in a small lake, it's okay.
I have a feeling actually. Oh, maybe if you use both paddles and both boats.
Yeah. There's lots of geese here. Kaya, don't stick your ass up. So I want to film your ass. Yeah, we should put it in the
Wow.
Oh, I got lift in my butt.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a dog. Okay, I'm going backwards.
I'm gonna have to take this out.
You're gonna take that out?
I can't make it work in the pouch. Of course, the eyes aren't working, but at least the phone's working.
You still can't see them.
Oh, we have a long way to go. Okay, no problem.
Okay, good. It's not that close.
No, we're just over halfway.
She just lays there.
Well, it's kind of like when she's in the car and she
Oh,
can look out for
that
wildlife.
is
Oh, that's giant hogweed.
Yeah.
No, Kaya, you don't want to go running for that.
But the one we just passed, the leaves looks like it.
Really?
Yeah, but just not blooming yet.
Maybe it was miniature hogweed,
Mm.
and you get a miniature reaction to it.
Because I know this along this river,
Yes.
lots of them.
Oh, we saw a lot of it, but the city of Kitchener was fighting it. They were out when we were canoeing last time. We saw them fighting it. They had great big fields of it, and they were trying to kill it all.
They lost. Kaya, are you enjoying this?
She's looking out for the next sighting. I was looking at our video we made a couple of years ago. She saw a beaver at one point. Although I don't know if we directed her attention to it properly, but we saw one and mentioned it. So Kaya, this is a combination of sunbathing and sightseeing. So I think you should probably enjoy it. And that was it. I think I'm getting the hang of this J-stroke with this little boat. No, you can't go over there, Kaya. Oh, she's thirsty.
You're thirsty. We have a boat behind us, the same boat.
No, it's actually a dual intertube thing.
Oh, they're better.
No, I think actually they're worse. if you're talking about like speed and steerability, I think that particular thing is meant for fun where you just go over control. go. This is what we want.
Okay.
I don't know.
We got on the shore. The boat is flat.
It's deflated a bit, or the air in it has cooled down. I don't know which, because we blew it up in the warm air.
Yeah. That's why we said we have to, in the middle, stop and
Blow it out. Okay, now you know.
I hope it's not leaking.
I hope so too. Oh, it's much easier to carry now.
You have to let it get out, otherwise you can't get into my car.
I know, but I can carry it. It's really hard using a phone through this little package that keeps it from getting wet if it falls in the water. But other than that, Kaya's behaving.
Well,
That's
we had a difficult time.
No, Kai, you have to stay back here. Oh dear.
You can't jump us.
She's trying to walk round on the edge. That's a really squishy edge.
No, there's too many. We started on and then we